Trazman again. I got another hack for you. Instead of doing some other stuff with electronics or mechanics, I decided to do a Swiss Army knife hack. I got several of them, but this one I just came across myself, and it's useful. So I'm gonna pull out my Swiss Army knife and my chewing. It could be chewing tobacco or any kind of chew or pouches, but I'm using coffee pouches. As you can see, the seam right here needs to be cut. So I take out the can opener. Get a good view on this. Right here. There, now the seam is made. I'll be continuing to do more Swiss Army knife uses. Until next time, thank you.